Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming you have the correct limbs and riser for this takedown recurve, and that alignment marks line up. Fit the bottom limb into the lower pocket, push fully home, then finger tighten the limb bolt so the limb seats without stress. Next, install the top limb the same way and keep bolts snug but not full torque. Once done, glance down the bow to ensure limbs are parallel. This prevents twist and prepares the bow for stringing safely and accurately. You now attach the string starting with the bottom loop, then the top loop using a bow stringer to avoid limb torque. Make sure string knocks sit fully in the limb tips and that the string center aligns with the riser window. Pull evenly with the stringer to reach the correct brace height. Check manufacturer or feel for the starting value. Once braced, measure tiller and adjust limb bolt tension if needed, and set the knocking point, an arrow rest, so arrows will leave cleanly and consistently. You finish by making a series of slow, progressive draws, about 10, to settle parts and reveal issues. Check for creaks, loose hardware, or string movement. If anything shifts, stop and unstring immediately. Inspect limb bolts and pocket seating, then reseat and hand tighten before full torque. If alignment is off, unstring, realign marks, and reinstall limbs. Use the stringer for safety. One key troubleshooting tip: if you hear a persistent pop or see limb gap, do not shoot, disassemble.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.